Alkaviva Vesta H2. Voted one of the industry's best filtration systems, Alkaviva's 17 years of water ionizing manufacturing have landed them as a top performer. For water infiltration performance, clean energy, healthy hydrogen levels, and on-demand pure drinking water with perfect and preferred 8 to 9 pH levels. With the Alkaviva Vesta H2, there's no more guessing. You get the best of both worlds. The perfect balance of hydrogen to pH, and the water you filter through the Alkaviva Vesta tastes fantastic. Safety sensors and monitors trigger depending on water temperature and flow rate to protect the plates and security. The automatic DARC cleaning system kicks in after each use to guarantee safe, pure, healthy water. Alkaviva makes a thoughtful, environmental friendly product, so you don't have to worry about mineral scaling. Using platinum-coated 9-plate SmartElectrodes, the unit is designed with proprietary carbon block filters to remove up to 99.9% of all contaminants, and the unit is leak-proof. Compared to other Alkaviva water ionizers, the Vesta H2 is priced right and provides infinite pH levels and a precise flow control system. The Vesta H2 can filter pH from 3 to pH 11+, measures 12.5 by 14.5 by 5.5 inches, and weighs 12.75 pounds. Warranty. For the first 30 days, Alkaviva will replace the unit for free. The 3-year warranty covers 100% labor costs. Accessories not covered under warranty. Pros. Alkaline water results backed by over 1,000 peer-reviewed studies. Maintains the perfect pH balance. Independently tested to remove 172 contaminants. Cons. Average flow rate. Surprisingly few customer reviews with over a decade of manufacturing. Delivers acidic water when unit is set to alkaline.